Classic boy.
Mix Niger Entertainment.
Yeah, Seri Makaburi. Yeah. Baby.
It's Gelato.
We used to play hide and seek. It was so romantic. And anytime you leave me, girl, they always be like, say I sick. She's just 19.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this beautiful summer hairstyle right here. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this hairstyle on my natural hair. Actually, one of you sent me a video on YouTube here, showing me a hairstyle and asking if I can do it on our natural hair, because the young lady in the video has a coily long hair. I'm going to link that video in the description box below. If you have any video you like to send, or if you have any picture you like for me to try, let me know. Send it to me and I'll see if I can try it. So I decided to try this. With the girl in the video, she has a long coily hair, so she didn't have to add extension, but I have a short hair. I had to add extension, and I just wanted this video to be a very budget friendly video. That's why I used the KINKI bulk hair, which I bought for £4, and I only used 3 bundles from it. Like, it comes in like a bundle thing. You're gonna see everything in the video. So I only used 3 of it, and I just put it in a bun. If you want your bun to be bigger, you can do it. I just want it to be smaller because since it's summer and the weather is kind of hot, I don't want anything to be on my neck at all. So that is all it's gonna be for this video. Thank you so much to the lady that sent me the video. I do appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share my video with your friends. And now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by applying my Indian hemp cream. Then now I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair properly. So right here, I'm going to section my hair into 2, but the one in front will be way more than the section at the back. After that, I'm going to section the front hair into 2 equal halves. Then I'm going to go ahead and section one side of my hair. Then I'll just secure it, and I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. So now I'm still going to section a small portion of hair for my cornrow. I'm just applying my hair cream on my hairline. Then I'll detangle my hair properly, and then I'll do the cornrow. I decided to add a little bit of extension. This is totally optional. So I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So right here, I'm going to detangle my hair in front, the portion in front, and I'm going to be using this jam. I think it's a gel. This is the first time I'm actually trying it out, and I absolutely love the gel. So I'm going to apply it on my hair before doing the cornrow. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner on my hair. And I'm going to go ahead and start applying my gel. I'll be using the jam as well. One of you recommended this gel to me, so I decided to try it out. And I absolutely love this jam or gel. So as I apply the gel, I brush my hair through. So after applying it, I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair in a bun. So now I'm going to go ahead and tie my scarf and just allow it to dry. I'm just going to tie my scarf and do my makeup, and that's just, you know, the amount of time I'll be waiting. After doing my makeup, I'm going to take off the scarf. You guys can see how it looks. Very, very nice. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and put on my accessories, which is totally optional. You don't have to, but I just want to put on the accessories. It makes it look more beautiful. So I'll be using this Afro Kinky bulk hair. Like I said earlier on, I bought it for £4. So I will not be cutting the hair into 2 equal half. I just took a caniculum extension, and then I'll take a little bit of the kinky bulk hair and I'll crochet it to that extension. You guys should just watch and see how I'm going to do. You can see as if I'm doing a crochet brace, but I'm going to crochet the hair to the extension. Like so. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys again. After doing that, I'm just going to take it and wrap it around my bun. Tie it into place and then cut off the remaining extension, the caniculum extension. So right here, I'm just going to put it in place the way I want it. And yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
Like a boy on this one.